Abubuwa ya see.
Okay. Okay, so welcome to agriculture. I think this is from forward. Let's just finish what you call the bio drainage. I think we did the. Oh, okay. Are you still seeing?
Yes.
Okay, so I think you remember we did what you call the subsurface drainage, the surface drainage. Okay, all these kind of things we
Yeah.
did. Yeah. So today I want us to do what you call the bio drainage. So the word bio drainage, it's just the same as the technique that we use biology to drain. But that we use the bio or biology to drain the water. So the thing is, if you talk of bio, you know what we mean. We mean the living things, and in this case, those living things that we are trying to say that we mean are the trees. Okay. So what do we do normally in about drainage? We use trees to remove the water from the ground. So it involves planting trees, and those trees they have to be the ones that have got long or deep rooted. Those that have got long roots. So you remove water, you remove excess water from the ground by use of trees. Simple as that. So what you do, you plant trees on areas where you want to remove your water, and then after that, uh, these kinds of trees they can be pumping water from the ground. A good example can mabruga maja. You know mabruga amajda abuzov mazojuruke. So you plant trees. Those trees they are going to take up much water from the ground, thereby draining the soil. Okay. So how can trees help to remove excess water from the land? It's simple. The thing is, their roots goes deep into the soil, creating waterways for water to seep through. The thing is, iwewe ukadzala mitengo paja, mitengo ija imalowa pasi kwambiri mizi yake, ndi mizi imakhala ngati kubola maenje amene muja umene madzi amatha kumana kuti kumalowa kwambiri ngati kuti apita pasi kwambiri madzi aja, thereby draining. Okay, so trees also take up a lot of water, which is then lost through transpiration. That's normal. So that's why they call it as a biodrainage. Okay, so let us now talk about the advantages of biodrainage. So the advantages of biodrainage, you know, trees help to mitigate or to reduce the effects of climate change by taking part in the rainfall cycle. Okay, so it's very, very important to plant trees because my trees are the ones that help us to have rain. So mvula kuti igwe it's because of trees. So if you do this kind of drainage, it means you're also helping to deal with my drought issues because mitengo ithandiza kuti kene mvula. Tikamati ma advantage of about drainage, just talk about the advantages of trees bas. Simple as that. You know my trees imapanga absorb carbon dioxide from the environment, thereby cleaning our air. Zimachita break wind. Zinthu zoti singamakambirane za simple. It breaks the wind. Okay. Yeah, normally you know kuti anthu amadzala mitengo kuti izikhala ngati kuti kuchinga mphepo. Yeah, so points zimenezozo. Moderate temperature of surrounding through transpiration. Okay, you know, trees amapanga transpiration, thereby cooling the surrounding. As trees grow, they increase their value instead of what? Depreciating. They are cheap to maintain. Methods combines both drainage and disposal, hence no need to look for drainage disposal. Yeah. Mukapopa madzi usinga mapampo majanaja madzi aja mmayenera kuti mukapeze kuwasiya. Pene mukadzala mitengo yokha imapopa madzi aja yokha ndikupeza kuwasiya madziwo. Ndo imene iyi ndikuti makhangati kuti imapanga save ma cost or ndi abwino funa kuti as you drain the land yokhaso pakuti madzi aja imwachotsamu imapititsa kuti paja imatenga imagwitsa ntchito iyo mtengoja. It's very very important. Cheap. It's cheap because you just have to plant the trees. You don't need to buy anything or mapipe machane ngati ku surface. We just have to plant my trees. Simple as that. So it is cheap. No skills needed. No lot of money needed. It's just trees. Do you have a question on this point? Yeah, so let us just start a new topic, which is the farm mechanization. Okay. Actually, the farm mechanization is simple. What I'm trying to say is that we are mechanizing the farm. What is to mechanize? To mechanize is the use of what? Machines. So if we say farm mechanization, it means what I'm trying to say is that we are trying to use those kind of machines to do our farming activities. But in short, mchichewa ndi ulimi wa makono. Ulimi meti kukuzichona kuti machine zipangizo za ulimi ngati machine, tractor, majani, all those kind of things. So that's what we call it as farm mechanization. It's a new topic, this one. So farm mechanization, it refers to the use of machines, in short, to carry out different farming activities. Simple as that. Ndebale mitundu ya machine imene makugwiritsa ntchito kulimi. There are types of farm machinery that we normally use. They are what you call the tractor drawn implements or animal drawn implements, machines operated by human power. Okay, then ikambe yonchi tikamafika pa types of farm machinery, what you are trying to say, tikamapanga classify ma types of farm machinery, timatenga kuti chimene chikuguza machine ndi chani. Let's say ngati ndi khasu lolimira, chimene chikuguza khasu ndi chani. Kasulo likugwira ndi munthu. Okay, kasulo likugwira ndi machine ka tractor. Kasulo chikuguza chopangitsa kuti chinthu chipite ndi ma animals. Okay, so can you mute your mic? Yeah, it's making some noise. Yeah, okay. So all those things. Then kama types of farm machineries. Ndeko chimene mafana mankhuna chona kuti mukufuna mupeze kunena kuti kodi machine leseka ni makaso olimira aja amakonaje. Chimene chikuguza ndi chani? Chikuguza ndi ma tractor or chikuguza ndi ma animals or akuguza ndi munthu. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. Ndeti kamana kuti ngati chikuguza ndi munthu ndikuti call it as machines operated by human power. Koma ngati kuguza ndi tractor timati tractor drawn implements. Ngati kuguza ndi ma animals kani ng'ombe kani chani kani ndabulu timati animal drawn implements. These are types of what? Farm machineries. So you are having tractor drawn implements, animal. Nditi kama tractor ndikuti they are attached to tractors before they carry out an activity. Animal ndekuti mashiniwo malumikizako kuchinyama kuti azitena kuti azigwira ntchito. By man ndekuti ndi munthu amene amapanga ziti zimenezonso. I think ikufeka. So there are 3 types. That means tractor drone, animal drone, machine by man. So tractor drone implements, these are instruments that are attached to tractor to carry out various wide operations. Ndiri machine maidenga ndikulimikeza kuti tractor. They are very heavy, so you cannot attach using a human power or animal. Nyama singaguze kabusa singaguze nzolemera zinthu zakeze. Yeah, so mpaka maina muchilumikise ku tractor whatsoever. So that's why you call it as a tractor drone implement. Okay, so example ake mukwadziwa ino chimene malumikisa kwa tractor kuzani zinthu nga zima cultivators, zima harrows, zima trailers, mowers, ma planters, ma seeders, ma weeders, ma sprayers and harvesting machines. Zopangira harvesting mbewu zinthu kwazunguka amagwisa ntchito kuti zima machine harvesting machines. Zolimira sungati iguzani ng'ombe nchipakhala zolimira kwambiri, so you can use ma tractors kuti aguze. Ma harrowers, zochechera zima mowers, zodzalira zima planters, ma seeders, ma weeders, zopalira zimakhala machine zikulu zoti munthu even nyama singaguze, so maina mpanga atati kwa tractors. Let us begin by looking at ma cultivators. Ngani ma examples ama machines ama tractor drone implements ndevali cultivators. Okay, ma cultivators nderinudziwa kani zolimira zimene malimira pasi paina plow, malije, matillers, osewa. Okay, so these are primary tillage machines used for breaking up the soil, right? Zimene magalawuzira mwedwe chichiwa timati kugalawuza chichiwa chabwino kulima tukamba tonso kugalawuza. Yeah, so makama plow, matillers, masubsoiler osewa ayo mapanga follow under cultivators. Ndidambona plow imakhautani. Okay, pali na disc plow, multi-body plow, chisel plow. So topic ndi yayikulu kwambiri zimatika chokapa zibwerapo kenaka zibwerapa choncho. So as you can see like this one, diagram we're as you can see the diagram like this one, a disc plow, okay, beam, fallow hill, disc scraper, all those kind of things. So they're not important to mziweza mapati I don't think so. So what shivers. Kwa kwamba zongoona kuti okay, beam cha disc kane kuza kuti izintuzi sila basi because banga base kwambiri unaona kuti kodi izintuzi kwenikweni zimagwira ntchito yanji. How can it be important as a farmer kuti aziuza zimene zizi? How can they achieve food security? Zimene zimenakoze kumazifunsa. So next time tizayambira pa activators ngabwino. Do you have a question on this?